Whew. Man, I'm not gonna lie, it is yucky out. It is cold, it is windy. It is not anything that you would want to see for spring. But we have a really exciting delivery today. We are getting a pile of wood chips. Our neighbor down the street has access to a large quantity through his work, and they're actually going to drop some off in just a few minutes. Now, if you guys didn't see one of our last videos where we were using our own wood chipper to put chips down on our trails, well, if that wasn't enough reason for you guys to understand why we're using wood chips, today's video is going to be even more of a reason. Let's go take a look at a flashback into winter. Welcome to the WT Farm Girl channel, our first generation family farm built from scratch. 9 years running strong. If you're new, feel free to hit the subscribe button and follow along on all of our adventures. We are in the works of hopefully something exciting. I'm not going to give any clues because there's a lot that's up in the air right now, but we're trying to connect all the dots. We might have some really, really crazy, exciting things planned for this spring. Yes, spring. So we're gonna be very busy with that. But let's go take a look at today's video. Let's go. The ground is frozen. It's like 18 degrees right now. Look at these pine trees. We planted these pine trees 8 years ago when we first moved onto the property. And they're all like 4 feet tall, standing up out of the ground. Now they're like 15 feet tall. All right. Watch out, Dad's gonna scoop the top of that off. Catch it, Bob. Catch it.
No.
Where's the cat? That definitely looks nice and full. Right, yeah, that'll be a warmer. The snow. Oh, I don't know what I ran over. I took out a tree. I'll pull that tree off the back.
Oh, she's just scraping the snow off the trail. No, she's gonna back up this way. It's still really soft. Mom got the tractor stuck. I think he sunk in a little bit.
You got stuck?
Not ideal.
You're gonna have to lift that box plate up as far as you go.
At least get rid of that, but
I'm not worried. I'm not driving the truck back here. It's way too soft. I'm gonna turn it around and I'm gonna dump it there. I'll sit. That truck weighs way more than that tractor.
you don't want to have to pull that out?
That truck weighs twice as much as that tractor.
I'm sure. See, there's our maple syrup tank right there. Maple sap tank. Why you shouldn't do it in the wintertime, because you can't really see the status of your roads. In this case, it was definitely too soft. With the snow on there, you cannot tell. I mean, I pretty much trashed this whole thing with a tractor.
Sit underneath there.
You gotta climb up in there and scoop it out?
No, I'm just gonna drive. Look at it steaming.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the truck.
No.
But this was steaming a little bit.
Right there.
Yeah, it was. It was steaming, but I couldn't find any warm spots. Yeah, I think you're gonna have to climb up there. It's still stuck. Now you got a little bit. Oh, a little bit more. Almost.
A lot more.
Yeah, you knew I'd make you climb up there, huh? Yeah, and then once you get it here, it doesn't really look like a whole lot. It's just watch out for the.
Let me lower it down a little bit for you there, son.
No, move over here while Dad lowers it.
climb that angle?
Yeah. Maybe.
Is that too steep still? That's still pretty steep. We better lower it down a little more.
Just watch your head. That branch is coming down with you. Put your head down, not up.
You don't want to get flung in the eyeball.
Yeah. Watch out. Put your head down.
No.
Yeah, this is...
Well, that snow on top kind of works as a...
It's like
This is all
slime.
sand from the sand pit.
This is sand? Man, it feels like quicksand mud or something. I mean, this stuff is like... I don't even know how to describe it. It's like cookie batter. Cookie dough. Like, wow. That is weird.
Made it.
Just be careful up there. So that is not the end of the world. I mean, it's not the best case scenario because that's not the road, but this right here is, yeah, look at how soft this is. If I had known that it was as soft, there's no way I would have said, yeah, let's go back and spread the wood chips. So Erik will attempt to remedy the situation, and since it's his road, yeah, it's I'll let him deal with it. Is it all you're gonna do on the outside?
You gotta remember, speed and momentum is your friend sometimes.
Bless you. You allergic to tree branches?
Huh?
I'm holding on to the tree whatever I do.
I would say that's probably the worst area out here, though. It's just this area right through here. Yeah. I mean, I guess we can always come back through later and smooth it out again later on. It's a learning experience. We learned that this is the road from the pits of hell.
Lots of money and lots of gravel.
Lots of gravel.
Gravel's expensive, just for putting it back in the woods. I guess if we could find, I don't know, broken concrete, and just, you know, I don't know.
Fill it up with broken concrete and then put gravel over it?
Yeah, like if we could just put broken concrete and then just, you know, like put gravel over it so it fills in the cracks, you know, I don't know.
Or you do like what a couple of the subscribers said. They said to make earth cement. We just take like bags of cement dust and mix it into the dirt and it will form like a natural road. If you guys have tried that, put your experience down below and how it worked for you. Ah, it's frozen. It's all frozen on there. Oh, I know. I was gonna park this.
That out with the shovel?
Yeah, because I want to park this in the barn now that we got my car out. Here they come.
Like my dad's family is just, you know, like my mom's side,